What about numerical data? We know that we can get listings and quantity takeoffs from your project, but what happens if you want to use other data that was generated in this fashion?
Well, if I would like to load an Excel file, because that's actually what we talk about, and the Excel file in this case is not a terrain, it's just calculations which I would like to place next to my building. I just go here and I will import one of these. XLS and XLSX is also supported. I should go to File, Import, and there is this Excel table option. And then here I can load the file. I can find, okay, let's just go with this room list. Okay, I made calculations there and I would like to use the entire worksheet. I can limit it if I want. And I can say, okay, let's just import it and place it as a actually, it's not just an image. It's a table. I can edit the content of that part here. I can change refine the name of the rooms and things like that, for example.